Hello everyone. In this video, I will show a quantum experiment simulation that demonstrates the violation of the no communication theorem, resulting in faster than light communication. So, let's get started. First, visit a website called Quantum Flytrap. Then navigate to its virtual lab. Next, create the setup that I built earlier by uploading the JSON file. You can find the link to the file in the description below, or just build the setup yourself with the components on the left. Now, let's say Alice is at the top left part of the setup, and Bob is at the bottom right part of the setup. Before the experiment began, Bob asked Alice a yes-no-maybe question. Alice told Bob that she would tell him her answer in the experiment. If she aligns her polarizers 0 or 90 degrees, then her answer is maybe. If she aligns her polarizer 45 degrees, then her answer is yes. If she aligns her polarizer 135 degrees, then her answer is no. Let's see whether Alice can tell Bob her answer with this setup. First, let's see what will happen in the beam mode. Can Alice tell Bob her answer using this setup? If this is not a bug in the simulation software, then this setup can indeed help Alice to send her answer to Bob. The values on Bob's counters change when Alice changes her polarizer's direction. If the value on the left is almost the same as the value on the right, then Alice's answer is maybe. If the value on the left is much greater than the value on the right, then Alice's answer is yes. If the value on the left is much smaller than the value on the right, then Alice's answer is no. We saw what would happen in the beam mode. Now let's see what will happen in the single photons mode. Let's first see for 10 photons. With this low speed, we can see how the quantum state of the entangled photons changes on the bottom right of the simulator. Now, let's increase the number of photons to 100 and increase the speed so we do not have to wait for a long time. First, Alice aligns her polarizer to 0 degrees. Now, Alice aligns her polarizer to 45 degrees. The value on the left is much greater than the value on the right. Now, Alice aligns her polarizer to 135 degrees. The value on the right is much greater than the value on the left. So, we can see that it also works in the single photons mode. So, superluminal communication is possible? Well, maybe. If what we saw is not a bug in the simulation software, then it is indeed possible. That's a big if. Otherwise, I am sorry for wasting your time. I tried to tell my ex-physics professors about this. However, I think they are too busy in their current work. Therefore, I decided to upload this to YouTube, hoping that someone can figure out whether it's a bug or a discovery. If you know someone who might be able to help, please help me to share this info or this video with the person. Thank you.